Locks. Okay, keep rolling inside of it. Keep rolling, they're engaging. Okay, they're engaging now. East, look east, we're gonna engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me, with the root. Nice one. Okay, now keep rolling. Sorry, naglag ako doon, kaya okay. Keep rolling, boys. Pa, heels up in front. Keep rolling. Okay, now go kite west. Kasi magre-response ng parang arch. Kite west. West, guys. Sige, wait lang. Hindi, ako mag-fake. You'll be my, Keep kiting west, boys. Keep kite. Oh, look, actually, I'm gonna fake engage east, We're gonna fake in... no.
Paano kakatakot?
Wait, keep kiting west. Hindi, gagi, ikaw nga yung magandang engage. Keep kiting east. Okay, look north. I'm gonna fake north, I'm faking north. Okay, get ready, engage. Engage on locks now. Wala, di pala gumagana yun. Okay, now defensive stance. Okay, now keep south, go south. No, wala yan. Trust me, wala yan. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, wala yan, pero pa-step ako in front. Kaya sa pag yung sasalin yung glacial. Okay, now keep brawl. Look, may nahuhuli. We're gonna engage. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pa-engage ako locks na. Wala akong engage. Pa-engage ako locks dun sa clump. Nice one. Nice follow. Pahils ako, please. Nice enigmatic. Nalulota ako. Keep rolling, North. Oh no. Shit. Nice heals. May nakita ko. Keep rolling. May engage tayo in 7. May engage tayo in 10. In 10. Keep rolling, boys. Now look inside of me. Look inside of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito kay Raven. Wala. Back north na tayo. Back north. Huwag kayo mag... Back north. Rush it.
North, pero pupunta ng west.
West team nga eh. Let's go west na lang. Tayo na nag-adjust. West, boys. Give them space. Huwag yung person yan. Don't put yourself in the middle. West.
Ulit na siya, pero talaga
Pare, ikikik kita ng guild, promise. Lalis. Okay nang yan. You do not listen to calls. Now look east. We're gonna get east. Wait, they're engaging. Wala yan. Defensives now. Okay, now look. We're gonna counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the east now. On the east. Okay, brawl now. Brawl them out. Get ready, they're engaging. Wait lang. Actually, not yet pa pala. Okay, now keep brawling. They're engaging now. Defensives. Nice enigmatic. Okay, now we're gonna counter. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's big.
Nice one, guys.
Follow up. Good shit. Now, Christian doubles inside of us. Pahila ko ng mga nalo. Okay, back west. Give them space now. Give them space. Okay, give them space. Okay, never mind. Hold me. The clump. We're gonna engage defensive now. Defensive. Nice defensive. Okay, now we're gonna counter. 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. It's big. Actually, no. Keep rolling. Sige na. Dali niya. Nice. Gago. Delete ko pala yan. Okay, keep rolling now. Keep rolling. Keep rolling, boys. Keep rolling, boys. Okay, we have an engaging 5. Keep rolling. Okay, they're engaging now. Nice. Now, okay, shit. Okay, now we're gonna counter west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shit, wala. Back west. Yun pala. Okay, now keep going east. Calls to. Keep going. No. Brawl. Sorry, brawl. We have an engage, Get ready on their fucking engage. Get ready, Okay, keep rolling. Okay, now they're engaging now. Okay, never mind. Okay, now look east. We're gonna engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tangina, tumalon ako ng mali. Ayun, kay Locks. Okay, now get ready. They're engaging now. Pots, please, on boys. Please, spots. Okay, now Keep west. Walk west, west tayo ng konti, west tayo ng konti. Pahingin natin sarili natin. Keep west, boys, please. Walk west pa. Walk west. Sige, engage east now. Locks, Look at locks, ha. Look at locks. We're gonna engage on locks now. Engage on locks now. Wala. Okay. Qs and doubles now. Get ready. They're engaging now, please. Nice. Ilan engage mo, Locks? Ilan engage mo? Qs and Ws nyo. Okay, 13 seconds. We have an engage on 10 seconds now, boy. Okay, Qs and Ws nyo. Look east. Engage na tayo na, Locks. Look east. We're gonna engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Big. It's big. Ang inang root bound dyan. Nice. Nadilig nyo pa. Okay, now. Get ready, defensives. Okay, Locks, kung meron. Okay, get ready, defensives, ha. Get ready, defensives now. Nice one. Okay, now, walk west, kite west tayo. Let them go to us. Kite west. Hello, west, boys, west. No, north to me. North tayo. Okay, wait. Walk west. Sige, fake ano, Locks. Fake. Wait, nag-fake si Locks. Locks nag-engage ng fake. Wala nang root. Get ready, defensives. Okay, wait lang. Okay, now we're gonna engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. It's big. Kaya yung shopping mag-follow up. Qs and Ws inside of them. They have an engagement 10 pala, sorry. Qs and Ws north. Sige, wait lang. Let them engage fake. Okay, fake now, Locks. Locks, fake inside of them now. Wait lang, wala tayong engage. Ako na mismo nagsabi sa'yo, okay? Okay, now look, doon kung saan nag-engage si Locks. Look kung saan nag-engage si Locks. We're gonna engage on, wait, go west. Malapit tayo masyado. Go west, nag-reset sila, nag-hard reset sila. Let's go hard reset.
Ko planado na dito nila gawin yan kasi nakita ko nagpalit yung iba eh.
Go west.
Ilang mga mana yung hilo.
Sige, west.
Naiwan si Kung, nasa harapan. Wala yun ako.
Sige. Okay, now go west pa. Sige pa west. Papalayuin nyo pa west. Hello, they're engaging. Nice. Wala yan, fake pala yun. Locks, fake now for me, papi. Okay, now look, wait lang. Fake lang yan, boys. We're just gonna bait them out. Okay, now, walang drops yung iba. We're gonna look east, boys. We're gonna engage east in 5, 4, shit, defensives, nice one. 5, wait lang, Qs and Ws, pahil. Okay, now we're gonna engage inside of that in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us. Okay, konti pa, nice one, may nadali tayo kahit isa. Okay, now, Qs, west, kite west ko. Gusto ko umalis sila ng, ng terry nila. Go west, boys, west. Hello, ba't may mas malayo pa sa akin? Hello, west. Di nyo ba narinig? Sabi ko west pa, kasi gusto kong umalis sila ng terry nila. Now, we're gonna engage, ha. Look, they're gonna engage, oh. Nice, so. Now, we're gonna counter east. We're gonna engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, on these two. Okay, keep kiting west, please. King, inayo ko nang nasa base nila. King, lang yun parang arch. Keep west. West, boys, west. Sige na, west na. Before that fucking monument na labas. Keep west pa. Sige pa, keep west. Manaw, behind me, boys. Defensives now. Nice one. Okay, now look. We're gonna engage on their engage. Lang. We're gonna engage on their engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, on the crown. Iba, king ina. Sige lang. Ito pa, ang dami nilang low. So, go, keep. Brawl now. Inside, boys. May engage sila natin. Sige na, boys. Brawl inside. Back. Wait, no. Keep brawling. Defensives on that. Defensives now. Defensives. Nice Judy pala. Nice early Judy. Okay, now we're gonna counter. Wait lang. We're gonna counter east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the east side. Healers to. Nice one. Now keep west now. West. Wag kayo papasok. West. They're resetting. West on me. me, west on me, west on me, west on me, west on me. Hello? Keep walking west pa, keep walking west pa. Sige, oh. We hold, keep walking west pa, keep walking west pa, west pa, west pa, west pa. Let them jump, let them jump. Let them chop, let them chop. Okay? Hold behind me. 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 Hold behind me.
Ang sarap ng saksak nito.
Tangina, no? Uy, boys, okay mag-inch up. Sabi ko hold behind me. Di nagsabing mag-inch up kayo. Hello? Hold behind me. Behind. I want my death touch only in up front. Look, they're on the north. They're on the north. Okay, look, they're on the north. They're on the north. They're engaging. They're engaged. Wala pala. There's another engage. There's another engage. Get ready. Okay, now look on the choke. Look on the choke. We're gonna engage on the choke in 5. Look on the choke. We're gonna engage on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. On the choke. On the choke. On the choke. On the choke. On the choke, boys. On the choke. Oh. Now push. Now push them back. Push them back. Push them back up the choke. Push them back up the choke. Yung mga nasa choke. Defensives, get ready. Hold my Ista. Get ready. Hold my Ista. Keep pushing up the choke. Keep pushing up the choke. Inang ano eh. Keep pushing up the choke. Okay, get ready. Get ready defensives. Get ready defense. Defensives now. Defensives now. Nice enigmatic. Nice enigmatic. We have an engaging 7, ah. Locks east. Sige, engage now, locks. Engage east now, locks. Locks. I want you to engage east. Okay, look at locks. We're gonna engage on locks. Wait, no. We're gonna engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. On me. Nakita nyo. Ayan. Sige, yan. Okay, now get ready defensives, ah. Get ready defensives now. We have an sorry. Kiss and W's. Wala yan. Trust me. Meron pala, sorry. Nice enigmatic. Go west now. Use spots. Okay, now look east. Look inside of us. Look east. We're gonna engage east, ah. Wait, walk east ng konti. We're gonna engage east in 5,
Pimig yung perma.
4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Big. Tang ina mo, gago. Sarap ko. Now keep. Heals now. Heals now. Defensive zone, please. King ina, nauulan na ako, Locks. Nice enigmatic. Tang ina mo. Shit, nadali pa rin ako. Locks.
Yeah, but go southwest muna. Go southwest muna. Go southwest, let's stabilize. Pakipoke ako. Meron tayong engaging 6. Sige. Now, go northwest. Go northeast. Sige, pass the choke. Night helmets now. We're gonna get in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito. Saklam. Sige, saklam. Kung may nakita yung clamp. Now, go north. Go north. Sige, huwag kayong babalik sa choke. Go north. Hello? Go north. Light helmets behind you. Go north. Hello, defensive. Sige lang.
I'm here. Kite mid. South of me. May ilan engages natin. Get ready defensives, ah. May engage yan. Nakatingin yung tank nila. Si Mocha. Usan yan. Okay, wait. Okay, go northwest of me. Northwest of the choke. King na, huwag tayo mag-stay masyado sa choke. Go northwest of the choke. Northwest. Northwest. We're gonna wrap. They're engaging. Pass sustain. Peace. Nice sustain. Now look inside of the choke. We're gonna engage inside of that choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of the choke now, please. Okay, now,
Nasa likod yung damage mo.
back west now, boys. To west now, boys. Run west. Wala silang engage. Nice, and, okay, now keep west. Walk west. Get ready, they're engaging now. Pass sustain. Now, we're gonna counter, look north. We're gonna counter north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On locks and me. Locks and me. Okay. Keep kiss and double shit. Back south. Anong sakit ng ano nila? Back south. Reset. Reset.
Ano yung mga tough tanks, please? Makikitang-kita yung perma, yung pwesto ng perma. Walang nakakon sa perma. Yung perma yung nagiging problema kanina rito eh.
Resets. Back to camp, boys.
Yung perma, please. Yung perma.
Okay na. Fulls tayo. Okay, now go with me. Wala yan. Di sila mag-engage dyan. Okay, now walk northwest. Walk west. Walk north now. Walk north. Look shallow. We're gonna engage shallow in 5. Wait, no. Look on the choke. We're gonna engage on the choke. 5, 4. Wait, defensives. Oh, nice. Tangina. Look, we're gonna engage on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. It's big, boys. It's big.
Nice one.
It's big, go. Nice follow. Okay, no. Don't push the choke. We hold before the choke. I want you to the clump behind the choke. Kahit west ng konti. Konti lang. Konti, guys. West ng konti. They're engaging. Wala yan. Fake lang talaga yan, to be honest. Ayun na yung true engage sila. Nice one. Okay, now look west. We're gonna counter west. Wait lang. We're gonna counter west in 5. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. East. Unlocks. Wala talaga. Sige, kiss and W's nyo, boys. Kiss and W's nyo. You have an engage. Ready on. Kiss and W's yung mga nasa likod natin. Oh. Hello? Kiss and W's yung mga nasa likod natin. Get ready. Spread west. Get ready, boys. They have an engage. Ayan na yung engage nila. I see something. They're engaging now. Wait, nice. They're engaging now. Na-late lang ng konti. Okay, now look. We're gonna counter east after ng ano na yan. Look east on the choke. We're gonna engage on the choke.
Tara,
In
rush.
5,
Main rush.
4, 3, shit. Wala ako. Locks. Pa-engage ako ng choke. Wala. Kiss and W's. Back west. Huwag kayo magpupush ng choke. Back west. Pahold ako ng choke tanks. West pa. They're engaging. Wait, west pa. Sige na, boys. West pa. Now look east. Wait. Look east look east. We're gonna engage. Wait, tangin ng fear yan. Look east. We're gonna engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito yun, big. Nakita nyo yan? Ang dami nila. Nice one.
Bakit ba yung locos?
Wala. I don't know. Keep, now, west. West, wag niyong pupush yung choke kasi may engage sila. Wag niyong pupush yung choke. Tignan niyo, mag-engage sila sa inyo. Ba't kayo nagpupush ng choke, boys? Nice, enigmatic. Kaso masusustain yan? Sige, kiss and up. Now, push them east. Dito tayo magpupush ng east, boys. Push ng east. Look on the crown. You're gonna engage on the crown now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. On me.
Ayan. Military.
Yan.
Siyempre, alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan sa'yo, bakit hindi ka nag-engage sa backline nyo?
Hindi ko nakikita, sorry.
Godip ka ng godip eh.
Godip ako ng godip.
Godip ka ng godip. Ang dami na mas marami pa nasa likuran. Parang tanga eh.